Welcome to Olive Branch Pictures.
Diplomacy, animated.
Stories have allowed the humans to share values and identities between tribes throughout civilization.
Imagine bringing together religious authorities, diplomats, animators, writers, experts, and stakeholders to tell stories capable of navigating conflict using the freedom of art and fiction to reach diverse audiences. Olive Branch Pictures is a representational, ideologically balanced animation studio for conflict mediation and edutainment.
Counteracting bias and propaganda in Israeli-Palestinian media and education by building mutual understanding and trust, improving capacity for policy change and negotiations.
So I've been researching, developing, and strategizing nearly every single day since October 2017. Waleed al-Ghazi and I became partners through 50/50 Startups in January 2021 to bring the idea to life together in consultation with some expert advisors. Our prototype, Shira and Amal, is the story of two young women, one Israeli, one Palestinian, who use music to cope with trauma and bring peace to Jerusalem.
Over the next 9 months, we will develop Shira and Amal, the graphic novel, as our minimum viable product, and then scale our intellectual property into an epic animated musical feature film over the following 3 years. Our vision is to establish a sustainable animation studio for cultural diplomacy. We aim to reach 5 million stakeholders and estimate that we can attract a commercial audience of 2 million readers for the MVP and at least 15 million viewers for the animated feature based on similar project we have learned from.
We're pursuing a multilateral approach to development, uniting organizations across the ideological spectrum around common goals, such as studios like Pichipoy and Harabish, publishers like Tzivonim and Mamul Press, investors like Wamda Capital and Nielsen Innovate, NGOs like Just Vision and Search for Common Ground, and NGOs like Swiss Peace, USAID, and the UN, by creating an even playing field on which to collaborate, negotiate, and compete in the pursuit of truth, the result of which will be informative, commercially viable, and impactful. Our competitive advantages are mainly our ideological balance, bottom-up and top-down collaboration and distribution strategies, and impact monitoring and evaluation.
Stakeholder dialect versions will be subsidized or donation-based, with revenue coming from mainstream language versions. Olive Branch Pictures will operate under a hybrid for-profit model, with customers deciding which among our non-profit partners receive 10 to 20% of purchase value. We need approximately $100,000 to produce our minimum viable product. We seek investment, feedback, connections, and to grow our team and advisory board. Learn more at olivebranchpictures.org.